Here's a really quick tutorial on using the Ardo Alyssa breast pump. For my full review, click at the end of the video. But on this breast pump, it is a larger breast pump. This is the on button. So you're gonna hold it for 2 seconds. Now it's gonna sound pretty quiet once the tubing's connected. I'm just showing you the nitty gritty of how to use this pump. Okay, so this pump, when you turn it on, is gonna start in the stimulation mode. That is this quicker, gentler cycle that is meant to stimulate your letdown. What I love about this pump is that you can go harder and faster independent of each other. Now the buttons can be a little fussy, so you do kind of have to push pretty good on that panel, okay? So this is a faster, harder stimulation mode. So you can go gentler or slower. You can go slower and gentler to find what works for you. In the stimulation mode, it's going to cycle about 70 to 107 cycles per minute, which is really good. Some people may find that they need to go to the top of the speed and pretty gentle to trigger a letdown. And there may be some of you out there that actually stay in this stimulation mode, but just go a little bit slower and a little harder to actually pump. And I love that this is an option because this is how some babies actually do feed. It will kick over after 2 minutes from the stimulation to the expression mode. So there's usually 2 modes in a good pump: fast stimulation and then slower expression. So you're going to hit this button down here to switch it into the slower expression mode. This one cycles at like 30 to 50 or 32 to 50 cycles. So it is much slower. Most human babies don't suck that slow. Most kind of sit at somewhere between like 48 to 60 for actually feeding. So in my opinion, the expression is a little bit slow, which is why you can use that stimulation to your advantage. But you can go a little bit harder, and the strength doesn't impact the length of the cycle. Babies suck at a fairly consistent suck rate. They don't go for long pulls. Okay, so again, in the expression mode, you can control how fast and how hard it sucks independently of each other. In my opinion, the expression mode is a little slow, but I'll give it to them that you can stay in the stimulation mode and have some pretty decent cycle and speeds. Okay, so you'll want to toggle back and forth between these modes several times in a pump session. Now this is what it actually sounds like without my finger blocking it, okay? With the tubing and the pumps, it's not this loud, but you're going about 1 to 2 minutes on this quick stimulation mode, and then so on the orange triple drop, about 1 to 2 minutes, and then 4 to 6 on the 2 drops, and then back and forth in your pump session.